Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the active keyboard layout because swapped at, and characters are almost always a layout mismatch. Open Settings, Time and Language, then Languages. Select your language and choose Options. Once done, inspect installed keyboards, remove any unintended layouts, and set the desired one as default. Use Win plus space to toggle quickly and verify in a text editor. This fixes most cases because Windows maps physical keys to characters according to the selected layout, not the hardware label. Once the layout is correct but swapping persists, check drivers and regional settings. Open Device Manager and update or uninstall/reinstall the keyboard driver, then reboot. Next, confirm Control Panel region formats match your keyboard country. Mismatches force odd behavior. If uncertain, open the on-screen keyboard. If its characters match expectations, the issue is hardware. Try a different USB or Bluetooth keyboard to isolate whether the problem is the physical keycaps versus Windows mapping. To finish, remove any residual input methods and confirm the default layout is active. Back up the registry before editing and only edit if you know the exact key values. Run Windows Update and install optional driver or firmware updates that can affect keyboard mapping. If the problem still happens, test the keyboard in BIOS or boot a live USB Linux image to see if swap persists. If it does, replace the keyboard. Quick troubleshooting tip: if changes don't apply, reboot after each major change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.